For this recipe, I'm making something different than my usual dishes. I honestly didn't think I could pull it off, but it came out too good not to share. So here it is, orange baked herring. We're going to start preparing the fish. I'm using smoked herring for this dish. So first we're going to add in some oil and pour that over a fish just to prevent it from burning. And then we're going to add some salt and some fish seasoning. I bought the fish seasoning from my local store, so any fish seasoning will do. We're going to rub that in or slightly massage the oil and the seasoning into the fish, and then we're going to bake the fish until it's cooked around 20 minutes as the fish cooks fast. Meanwhile, while that's cooking, we're going to prepare our sauce. So obviously we're going to start with squeezing one fresh orange, then we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of harissa paste. We're going to mix it all together and then we're going to set it aside. By now our fish should be ready. As you can see, it's still sizzling and the herring is cooked. So we're going to go ahead and pour our sauce all over the fish and just add in some orange slices for an extra orange taste. We're going to pop this back into the oven to grill for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And there you have it. Enjoy!